Hello, my name is Alex and I'm an electronic engineer by background. So my work is mainly on wearable devices, so miniature electronics that a person can put on to measure various vital signs. The healthcare uses of wearable devices are well known and increasing over time. It's estimated that by 2040, 80% of care pathways would involve some form of wearable monitoring. They're a big driver of personalised and preventative care. On the engineering research front, there are many open opportunities for making better devices for monitoring long-term conditions. So things like making flexible and stretchable electronics, so devices kind of wrap around your body rather than sitting on top. My provocation for you though really focuses on some of the tensions that come out in the design of next generation wearable devices. So I've got a number of devices with me now. These are just ones I happen to have with me at home actually. And of course I said earlier that these are key drivers of personalised care, getting data about a person. But to me at the same time they look very much one size fits all. They've got extremely similar form factors. They're all measuring extremely similar factors. And so what does personalisation mean at the same time as one size fits all? And of course there's an intrinsic tension between personalisation and scale up. That tension carries through into the usage of the data that we're collecting. So at the moment it's very common to see a study with arthritis maybe making use of accelerometry data, but also studies on mental health conditions making use of the accelerometry data. And so as we're managing long-term and chronic conditions, how are we separating those? How are they interacting with one another when we're dealing with comorbidities and multimorbidities? What does the multi-morbidity wearable device and wearable data analysis look like? And the follow-on provocation from that is, what do the interventions based upon this data look like? At the moment, a lot of wearables, if you want to lose weight, say, will be focusing on behaviour change. But we can do much more. How do we turn our devices from sensors, a one-way street for collecting data, to two-way streets for sensing and actuation?